Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? The first one is, what platform provides PPC ads other than Google Ads? Pretty much every channel or social media has got ads on it. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So we have campaigns running on all these channels. So I've got obviously Google, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Quora. I think these are the 6 places where I'm running ads. And then we can dive into each one of these channels and see what the results are like. Instagram as well, obviously, Facebook and Instagram. So pretty much every platform where you can run your campaigns and ads. The thing is, you can focus on just one, but what I want to do is to be kind of like an octopus. Wherever my audience goes, I want to catch them. So it's kind of like a multi-touch, omni-channel marketing campaign, and you don't need big budgets. You can have $5 on each one of these and let your name out there regularly in front of these people. So wherever somebody goes from LinkedIn to Facebook or Facebook to YouTube, they see you, and that's where how it builds up. And it's not a case of just putting on an ad today and getting the results tomorrow. This is a long-term game. You got to plan it, and then think of it as a marathon rather than a 100 meters dash. Most people just want a quick result, and all they care is about conversions, which we all do, absolutely 100%. But to reach that point where somebody will decide to say yes to you, it does take time and a bit of effort. Just like I'm over here every day now with you guys, building up my brand, and some of you do come back to me. You ask me to manage the course, the campaigns, or buy my courses, etc. So I do make money at the end of it, but not in the way where I'm expecting immediate returns from you, that at the end of this YouTube live I'm going to give you an offer that buy my stuff. I don't work like that, and I don't want to be like the others, because I want to offer this as a genuine help for you to improve your online marketing.